Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two compact treadmills that will get you moving without taking up too much space. On the left, we have the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill, and on the right, its rival, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. Both treadmills are designed to fit under your sofa or bed, but there's a slight difference. The Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill, let's call it the Mini Marvel, measures 45 inches long, while the other one, Compact Champ, comes in at 47.7 inches. So if you're tight on space, the Mini Marvel might be your best bet. Score 1 for the little guy. Both treadmills boast a 2.5 HP motor, which is impressive for their size. But here's the deal. The Mini Marvel has a self-developed motor that brings lower loss and longer lifespan. It's like the Benjamin Button of treadmills. The Compact Champ, on the other hand, claims to have an ultra-quiet motor. So whether you prefer longevity or silence, it's a tough call. Let's call it a draw. The speed range of both treadmills is quite similar, with the Mini Marvel going from 0.6 to 5 miles per hour, and the Compact Champ from 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour. That extra boost might come in handy if you're feeling the need for speed. The Compact Champ takes the lead in this category. Both treadmills offer a 5-layer wear-resistant non-slip running belt, which means you can strut your stuff without worrying about slipping. Knees and joints rejoice. Plus, they both come with a remote control and LED display for easy use. It's a tie for safety. The Mini Marvel comes in at a sweet $169, while the Compact Champ asks for $179. So if you're on a budget, the Mini Marvel might give you a little extra cash in your pocket. Score 1 for the Mini Marvel. The Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill has received positive reviews from customers. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design, suitable speed range, and convenience. The treadmill is considered a good fit for individuals of average height, although taller individuals with larger strides may find it slightly short. The product is praised for its quiet operation, affordability, and effectiveness in incorporating exercise into daily routines. Overall, customers are satisfied with the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill. And there you have it, folks. After a fierce battle, both treadmills had their strengths, but it's time to crown a winner. Drumroll, the Compact Champ takes the crown with its slightly larger size, higher speed range, and ultra-quiet motor. But remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we keep you entertained and informed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic showdowns. See you next time!